In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't trade problem on Steam. First things first, let's open up your Steam app. Whether you're using it on a PC or a Mac, just make sure it's up and running. Once you've got Steam open, the next step is to click on the Login button. This should be straightforward. It's typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Now, if you're on the desktop version, you'll need to enter your account name and password. It's always a good idea to double-check your credentials to avoid any typos that could slow us down. After you've done that, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Alright, now you should be on your Steam homepage. From here, look towards the top of the page and click on the drop-down menu labeled Steam. From that menu, select Settings. This is where we get into the nitty-gritty of our task today. Once you're viewing the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Security. This is crucial because it's where you'll manage your account's protective features. Now, within the Security section, click on Manage Steam Guard. This might sound a bit technical, but it's essentially a layer of security designed to keep your account safe. Within this option, you'll want to ensure that Steam Guard is activated for your account. Steam Guard is vital for trading and using the community market, as both functions require it to be enabled. Now, a quick reminder, if you've recently changed your password or added a mobile authenticator, there's a brief waiting period involved. You'll be restricted from trading and the community market for 5 days. If you try to make trades within the first 7 days of adding the authenticator, you might experience up to a 15-day trade hold. These waiting periods are standard security measures intended to protect users from malicious activity. Last but not least, double-check that your email and phone number have been verified. This ensures you're in control of your account. Once you've gone through these settings and confirmations, close and reopen the Steam client. Doing so refreshes your session and often applies the changes you've made immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should find trading on Steam to be a smoother and more secure process. If everything is set up correctly, you're now ready to continue trading and enjoy your Steam experience without those pesky trade issues. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!